Hellos, everyone, and welcome to our story time. Are you ready to hear a fun story today? Great! Let's begin. This is Pippa the pig. Hello, Pippa. Pippa is a very happy little pig. Today, she has a wonderful idea. She wants to make her very own garden. A beautiful, colorful garden. What a fantastic idea, Pippa. But where should she start? A garden needs so many things. Pippa goes to find her mummy. Mummy, she says, I want to make a garden. Pippa's mummy smiles. She gives Pippa a beautiful pink flower. It smells so sweet and looks so bright. Wow, a pink flower, says Pippa. Thank you, Mummy. Pink is such a lovely color for a garden, isn't it?
Pippa finds her daddy.
Daddy, look! I have a pink flower for my garden. Pippa's daddy is very proud. He gives Pippa a big green leaf. The leaf is shiny and has cool lines on it. A green leaf. It's perfect. Pippa cheers. Now, her garden has something pink and something green. It's already looking so nice. Pippa is so excited. She runs to find her brother. Look what I have for my garden. She shows him the pink flower and the green leaf. Her brother thinks for a moment and then runs to get something special. He comes back with a brand new purple watering can. Here you go, Pippa. Every garden needs water to grow. A purple watering can. My favorite color. Squeals Pippa. Now Pippa has a pink flower, a green leaf, and a purple watering can. That's a lot to carry. Oh, but wait. She has her trusty orange wagon. It's bright and strong. Pippa carefully places everything inside. The pink flower, the green leaf, and the purple watering can all fit perfectly in her orange wagon. Now she's ready to go. Pippa pulls her orange wagon all the way to a sunny spot in the yard. The sun is shining, the sky is blue, and it's the perfect place for a garden. She takes out her treasures one by one. She plants the pink flower in the soft dirt, places the green leaf next to it, and gets her purple watering can ready. She fills the watering can with cool, fresh water and gives her new little garden a gentle drink. Wow, says Pippa, looking at her beautiful creation. The pink flower looks even brighter, and the green leaf glistens in the sun. Her purple watering can sits right beside them, looking proud. I love my family so much, Pippa thinks to herself. Mummy gave me the pink flower, Daddy gave me the green leaf, and my brother gave me the purple watering can. She looks at her colorful little spot and feels so happy. And I love my garden, she says out loud with a big, happy smile. What a wonderful day for Pippa the pig. She made a beautiful garden with a little help from her family. Every time she looks at it, she'll remember the pink flower from her mummy, the green leaf from her daddy, and the purple watering can from her brother. And that makes her garden the most special garden in the whole wide world. The end. Wasn't that a lovely story? It shows how wonderful it is when family helps each other. Hooray! And now, I have a question for you. What is your favorite color? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching and listening. We'll see you next time for another story. Bye-bye.